Welcome to today's video. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to convert your crypto earnings into cash using GoDaddy. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to set up your GoDaddy account specifically for crypto transactions. Head over to the GoDaddy website and create an account if you haven't already. Now, let's link your crypto wallet to your GoDaddy account. Go into your account settings, look for the crypto wallet option, and follow the prompts to connect it. With your wallet connected, it's time to convert your crypto to cash. Use GoDaddy's conversion tools by selecting the amount and currency you'd like to convert. Before confirming your transaction, it's crucial to understand the fees and exchange rates associated with cashing out your crypto earnings. After reviewing everything, complete your cash withdrawal request. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and hit submit. GoDaddy offers alternative withdrawal methods as well. Make sure to explore these options if you need flexibility. To effectively manage and track your crypto transactions, consider using tracking tools or software to keep an eye on your earnings. To wrap up, we've covered the entire process of converting your crypto earnings into cash on GoDaddy. Thanks for watching and happy trading.